from any screen, radio, into telephone, name, call list. Onto telephone, click OK. Bluetooth telephones, OK. Update, OK. Searching for a maximum of 10 Bluetooth telephones. It's taking its time. So it's got my phone there, Barry's iPhone. Down arrow to it comes to my phone, then you've got options at the side. Click on the options, OK, authorize, OK. We need to give it a passcode now. I'll go for 0000, which is quickest, and then we need to get across to OK. If I click left, it comes back on the screen on the other side, OK. Authorizing my phone. And asking me for a pin, 0000, pair. Do you want to allow contacts and favourites to sync? No, I don't. I won't be using the car again, but you will. And it's connected.